Hello, welcome to Digital Works, and today's class we are going to see a simple login form which we need to design by using the table, right? So we will see what is my view. So this is my view. So I have shown the view of the login form here. I have used some labels. This username is a label. I have used one text box and a password, the text box, the login button and the cancel button. Right? This is my page view. So to design this page view, I am going to use a table. So how a table is defined by using some table rows and with the table data, right? So we'll see a small code. So if you see here, as usual, we are using some HTML root tag, and here I straight away go to the body tag, right? So that when you are defining, you can define the title of that is header section also, right? So in the header section, I simply define the name of the page as login page, right? Login page, and I close the header section, right? And straight away go to the body section. Here I have defined the table. So here I use the attributes as border. Border is equal to 0 and style is equal to width 25%. So here I have used the value width at 25%. So we will see after seeing the output, if I increase the value of both border and width, what will be the output? Right? We will see what kind of impact will happen by increasing these two values, right? And here observe carefully, this is the TR. TR is nothing but table row. So we all know that a table, how a table looks. So generally a table will be like this, right? Which has some columns and rows, right? It has some columns and rows. So here TR is nothing but a table row. That is nothing but this is the table row. So here we can define this particular area as a cell. Here we have seen many number of cells. This is a cell, this is a cell, this is a cell, and I want to make the data visible in this particular cell. So to make the data in this particular cell, I need to use the tag called TT, table data. So here I have used a table data as a login form. That means, and after that, see, I have closed the TR. That means the first row is for the login form. That means the table, sorry, in a table, I have defined the first row as login form, right? Login form. This will be looks like this, right? And after that, what I did? And after that, I started another TR, that is second row. In the second row, I defined two TDs, that is two cells. The first cell, here I given a username, and in the second cell, I have given a input type is equal to text. That is nothing but I simply given the second row with two partitions. The first partition is for username, and the second partition is for a text box, right? And here I have closed the TR. That is second row has been completed, right? And what is my next thing? I need to define the password with the text boxes, right? So for that, straight away I will go and open the TR. I simply copy the same text typing, so I can use. But if people make practice by typing the code, so here I need to give the password with the password, and here I need to give the input type text need to be replaced with password. See the simple way. So once again we will see how the output will looks, right? So we will check the output is just like what I drawn in the MS Paint, right? So we will incorporate. So I straight away go to my table. This particular notepad is saved with the table.htm. Here it is, and I double click it, and I got the view like this. Here, see, observe carefully the login form, and I have given username and a password and the text box, right? So if I change the style, what will happen? So suppose if I given 25 to 55, right? And I press Ctrl S, and after that I will check the output. So it will be like this. That means if I increase this particular value, the table width has been increasing. Got it? So this particular width attribute is useful to increase the table in width wise. Okay. So you can also define the height also, right? And if I increase the border as 10, and we'll see, and I press Ctrl S, and after that I refresh. So you can see the border, the look of the border, the complete border has been embossed. Got it? And you can see the internal partitions also are visible, right? So it is one type of a look and feel, right? So if you don't need any kind of borders, you can simply make it as a 0 or 1. If we keep it as a 1, and it will be appeared like this. Or if I does not want to look any kind of borders, then I need to make it as 0. Otherwise, you remove the border. Okay, it will appear like this, right? The same way, I need to create the button also, right? So to create the button, straight away I need to open another TR. So I like once again I will copy same thing, paste here. I don't need up any kind of single TD. TD here input type is equal to, I have given one, submit the keyword, and after that I need to give the name of the button. I use the value. Value is equal to, what is my value? Login. Login, right? And after that, shift. And here I have completed one particular. Next, so I will copy and I press V. Here I simply write the button. So you can use any kind of uppercase or lowercase, but we need strictly we will follow the lowercase. Enter the HTML. Where whenever any kind of keywords for values you can use caps locks or small letter search, right? And I keep as a cat, and now press Ctrl S, and after see the this simple. You got it? This is the simple way of creating a login form, and you can enter what are the names here, and we can enter the password, and if we this particular login will act as a submit button, right? This is a brief introduction regarding how a particular login form can be created by using the table, right? Thanks for watching.